Your driveway is a disaster. Your car looks like it's been through a mud apocalypse. But what if you could blast away grime in minutes without breaking your back? Today, we're ranking the top 5 electric pressure washers that'll turn you into a cleaning superhero. From compact budget beasts to industrial-grade monsters, these machines don't just clean, they dominate. Let's power wash the competition. Starting strong at number 1, the Westinghouse EPS3000 500, a 2500 psi beast built for precision and portability. Weighing just 19 pounds, this lightweight powerhouse is perfect for weekend warriors who hate scrubbing. Its 1.76 GPM flow rate and 17.5-inch steel wand delivers surgical precision, blasting away moss, grease, and even that stubborn BBQ sauce. Stain your kid left on the patio. The anti-tipping wheels glide like a shopping cart, letting you maneuver around obstacles with 360-degree steering, while the 25-foot hose ensures you're not tethered to the faucet. The onboard 20-Oz soap tank is a game-changer. Fill it with detergent and watch it foam up driveways, fences, or your filthy lawn gnome. Plus, the total stop system saves energy by pausing the pump when you release the trigger, extending its lifespan. Backed by a 3-year warranty, Westinghouse isn't messing around. It's not the most powerful here, but for small homes or apartment dwellers, this is your entry-level MVP. Just don't expect to clean a semi-truck with it. Number 2, the LWQ Green Machine, a 2030 psi underdog with a secret weapon, foam cannon action. This baby isn't just about raw power, it's about style. The included foam cannon sprays thick, clingy suds that dissolve dirt like magic, making your car look like it just rolled out of a TikTok car wash video. With 4 metal nozzles, you can tackle everything from concrete to windows without swapping tools. The 20-foot hose and 16-foot cord give you freedom to clean your entire garage without unplugging, and the bucket suction feature means you don't even need a faucet, perfect for off-grid camping or RV trips. It's a steal for car enthusiasts or dyers who want foam party vibes on a budget. Downsides? The plastic build feels a bit cheap, and the motor can get noisy under heavy use. But for small patios, bikes, or weekend detailing, this little green warrior punches way above its weight. Number 3, Greenworks Pro, the CSA certified Titan that's quieter than your neighbor's lawnmower, but twice as powerful. This 3000 psi monster delivers 2.0 GPM flow with a brushless motor that outlasts gas guzzlers. The 25-foot kink-resistant hose and 35-foot power cord let you clean your entire driveway, garage, and even second-story windows without moving the unit. JetFlow Tech blasts water 50% farther, making it ideal for rooftops or tall fences, while the turbo nozzle shreds moss and algae like confetti. The heavy-duty cast aluminum pump is built to survive winters, and the PWMA certification means no fake specs, just raw, mud-crushing power. Perfect for suburban dads who treat their driveway like a red carpet or pro cleaners needing reliability. Downsides: it's heavier and pricier, but for heavy-duty jobs or large properties, this is gas-free glory. Bonus, the soap nozzle lets you pre-treat oil stains, making it a garage floor's worst nightmare. Number 4, Hoyt's 3800 psi Overlord, where industrial power meets DIY convenience. This beast laughs at concrete stains and oil spills with 2.4 GPM flow and a maintenance-free NCOR pump designed to outlive your mortgage. The snow foam lance coats surfaces in dense, shaving cream thick suds that cling to dirt, while the 4 universal tips let you swap from nuke mode to gentle rinse in seconds. Need water? It sucks directly from buckets, ideal for camping, RV trips, or zombie apocalypses. The 20-foot hose and compact design make it shockingly portable for its power, though the short 16-foot cord might require an extension for larger jobs. Perfect for serious clean freaks or contractors who need to degrease machinery or strip paint. Downsides? The plastic trigger feels flimsy for the price, and the lack of wheels means carrying it upstairs. But for garages, workshops, or farm equipment, this is your endgame. Number 5. The Digivovo 5000 PSI Godzilla, a 1500W beast that eats driveway grease for breakfast. With 5000 PSI and 3.6 GPM flow, this monster obliterates dirt faster than you can say pressure wash addiction. The 55-foot total reach lets you clean your entire property without moving the unit, while the 450 ml foam cannon blankets surfaces in detergent or chemical level cleaning. 4 nozzles handle everything from grandma's patio to your kid's mud-caked bike, and the sponge handle plus wheels make it glide like butter over concrete. The LED display tracks pressure settings, and the auto shoot-off protects the motor during pauses. Downsides? It's loud ear protection recommended, and the price tag isn't for the faint-hearted. But for contractors, farm owners, or anyone who thinks clean is a lifestyle, this is unmatched power. Bonus, it's CSA certified, so no melting circuits mid-job. Mic drop. Ready to transform your space? Smash that like button, subscribe for more gear reviews, and ring the bell so you never miss a drop. All links are below. Click fast before your next BBQ disaster. Stay clean, stay awesome, and keep blasting.